Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, it's Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick hands-on with the Nokia One Plus. This is a successor to the Nokia One, and so it comes in the Android Go program, not the Android One. So in Android Go, what you see is the phone with 1 GB of RAM or lesser. So this comes with 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, and there's a 4.5-inch FWVGA plus. That's 418 to 960 pixels of screen resolution. There's a textured back pattern on the back panel, and that's a polycarbonate back which can be removed, and removing of that would give you the access for the SIM card slots and the microSD card slot. So this is the Android Go platform based device where you see some of those Google applications which are optimized and made easier to play and run. So this is the Android 9 based Android Go platform, and the applications that you see are Maps Go, Assistant Go as well, which would make things easier and also smoother for the devices to run in capacity of 1 GB of RAM and lesser than that. So those are those applications. For the camera setup that you see here is a 8 megapixel rear camera with flashlight, and on the front there's a 5 megapixel fixed focus camera for the selfies. Internally, this phone is powered by the MediaTek MT6739 quad-core chipset clocking at 1.5 gigahertz. And though there are two storage options here, that's 8 GB of storage and 16 GB storage, the pricing starts at $99 for the 8 GB storage one. So this is a quick hands-on, and on the front what you see is that 18:9 aspect ratio, and on the physical aspect what you see towards the bottom is the micro USB port. On the left there's nothing. On the top is the 3.5mm headset jack. There's no secondary microphone given here, and on the right are the buttons, the power button and the volume rocker button. On the back is that camera, the single camera with the LED flashlight, and there are three slots, two SIM card slots and a microSD card slot when you remove the back panel. And there's that battery which seems large in size, but it's a 2500 mAh battery that you're getting here. It's the 3D nano textured coating on the fully carbonate unibody, and there are three color options that you're going to get here. That's blue, black and red. So this was a quick hands-on with the Nokia One Plus, which is priced at $99, and it's launched in Europe, and we might soon see this coming into the Indian market, but I hope this is priced right, and it should be somewhere around 6 to 7,000 rupees at which it might be available. So this was all about the Nokia One Plus. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions, to let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.